So, yung first part ng workout is concentration workout para ma-emphasize sa'yo na ang prime mover is always self. Kasi dito naglalagay na tayo ng weight eh. So minsan, pag ang estudyante nilagay mo yung weight, ang nagiging focus nila is yung weight. Kailangan kong mabuhat, nawawala sa self. Remember, sa self nang gagaling. Kaya yun yung first part ng workout. Yung second part, lalagay na ng weight, pero by that time, na-internalize mo na that the self is the prime mover. The weight, the machines is just a tool.
Last one.